This is RDP. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your front brake pads on your 2016 Nissan Leaf. So here are the tools I'm going to use: a 28-inch breaker bar, a 21 millimeter drive socket, a cordless impact driver, a floor jack, metal wire brush. I have a big one, and I also have a few small ones as well, a long flathead screwdriver, tire choke, flashlights, knee pad, brake lubricant, brake pads, gloves, and it says a can of hairspray, jack stand, and the caliper piston depressor. So let's go ahead, jack the car up and remove the tires. And there are two 14 millimeter bolts that hold the brake caliper. There is one on the top, and there's another one on the bottom. So let's go ahead unscrew those so we can remove the brake caliper and remove the brake pads. So now we're going to use a long flathead screwdriver to get the caliper off. So this is the caliper and this is the caliper piston. So we're using a bungee cord to hold the caliper so it doesn't hang on the brake line. Now the caliper is out of the way. We can go and remove the brake pads. Now we turn the wheel outward so we can see the brake pads that is in the back. So now let's go and remove the old hardware. And now we're going to do some housekeeping. And we also have a can of air spray. Yeah. Just blow all the dirt off. Now we're going to install the new hardware. This is the brand new brake pads, and there's the hardware that they come with. So we're going to lubricate them and then we put them on. So we're going to use a NECs to put everywhere that the hardware just came from, just to avoid any squeaky noise. So let's go ahead and add the new hardware. Let's go ahead and add the new brake pads. Okay, no, we just finished up installing the new brake pads and hardware. Now it's time for us to lubricate the caliper slider. So we're just gonna use the brake lubricant. This one seems to have enough, but just add a little bit. This one's a little bit dry. Okay, now it's time for us to bring in the caliper piston depressor. Just a little bit of indices. Just a dot of indices on the caliper bolt. Now we are done with the driver's side. Let's move on to the passenger side. I'm not going to press the brake pedal yet because I'm not done with the replacing the brake pads on the passenger side yet. Now we are done with replacing the brake pads on the passenger side. Now we can go ahead and pressing on the brake pedal. So we're gonna press on the brake pedal, keep pressing on it until it's hardened. This is our DP. I just demonstrated how to replace your brake pads on your 2016 Nissan Leaf. I hope that you like this video, and of course, please subscribe to this channel for more videos and more giveaways. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.